Hello students, how are you? Welcome back to Sushant's Chemistry. My dear students, today I am going to discuss about the preparation of aldehyde ketones from alkenes, alkynes and calcium salt of carboxylic acids. Okay, first I am going to prepare the aldehyde ketones from alkenes by reductive ozonolysis of alkenes. In this reaction, what happens? Alkenes react with ozone in the presence of an inert solvents like CaCl3 chloroform or CCl4 at 196 Kelvin. Okay, to form ozonite, which on reduction with zinc dust and water to form aldehydes and ketones. Okay, suppose you take general reaction alkene RCH double bond CHR alkene reacts to ozone O3 in the presence of an inert solvent like CCl4 at 196 Kelvin to form ozonite, that is alkene. Okay, it is RCHO CHRO, so that the tetravalence of carbon satisfied. 4 bonds present, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, that is ozonite, which on reduction with zinc and water. We know that reduction means removal of oxygen removed. This bond and this one will break. We get first minus ZNO removed by zinc, RCHO. We get 2 molecules of RCHO. Okay, that is called aldehyde. That is called alkene. In this reaction, alkene reacts to ozone in the presence of CCl4 at 196 Kelvin to form ozonite first. The ozonite on reduction with zinc and water to form aldehyde ketone. We take various examples. Suppose we take number 1 CH2 double bond CH2, that is called what? Ethene. Reacts ozone O3 in the presence of CCl4 at 196 Kelvin, right? We get what? CH2O, that is called ozonite, which reduction by zinc and water. Reduction means what? Removal of oxygen removed by zinc minus ZNO. This one will break. We get CH2, that is 2HCH. That is called methanol. That is ethene. Simply what? Oxygen both sides. This one break. Oxygen. We get CH2O, HCHO, CH2, SCHO. Okay. Number 2 example, we take CH3, CH double bond CH2, right? Plus ozone O3 in the presence of CCl4 at 196 Kelvin. We get what? Ozonite, CH3, CHO, that is CH2O, that is ozonite, which reduction with zinc and water, oxygen removed minus ZNO, this one will break, we get CH3CHO, CH3CHO plus HCHO. We get a mixture of ethanol and methanol. Ethanol and methanol. Okay, that is propene. Prop-1-ene propene. Right. Similarly, we take CH3CH double bond CH. That is called but2ene. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our ozon here O3 in presence of CCl4 at 196 Kelvin, right? You get ozonide CH3CHO CH3OO. That is called ozonide. Reduction zinc and water. We get we get CH3CHO, CH3CHO, 2 molecules of CH3CHO, that is ethanol, or called acetaldehyde. Okay, similarly, simply add Briggs bond, you add O, CH3CHO, CH3CHO, we get 2 molecules of CH3CHO, right? Similarly, we get CH3 double bond CH3, right? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3 dimethyl but2ene. 2, 3 dimethyl but2ene. You are ozon O3 in the presence of CCl4 at 196 Kelvin, right? At CH3O, CH3O. Okay. You then reduction takes place in presence of zinc water. Briggs bond, oxygen group, we get minus -10, we get CH3COCH3, CH3COCH3, that is 2 molecules of CH3COCH3, that is called acetone, right? That is called acetone. Suppose we take example like a side compound like CH. Suppose we take side compound this buta 1, 2, 3, 4. Buta 1, 3. That is called cyclobuta 1, 3 diene. Okay. You first are ozon O3 number 2 in the presence of CCl4 and 196 Kelvin, right? The reduction takes place in presence of zinc and water. Okay, you first break this bond O, breaks bond O, we get CHO, 1 CHO, 2 molecules of CHO bond CHO. Here carbon and hydrogen present. Here carbon, hydrogen present. Carbon, hydrogen present. We get CHO bond CHO, CHO bond CHO. We get 2 molecules of CHO bond CHO. That is called ethane 1,2-diol. Right? Okay, my question is question number 1. First, get ozon. Number 2, zinc water. Okay. What is the product? Question number 2. First you add oxygen. Number 2, zinc and water. What will be the product? Okay, this is all about the preparation of alkyl ketones by the reductive ozonolysis of alkenes, right? Number 2, by Walker process. By Walker process. In this reaction, what happens? In this reaction, alkene reacts with palladium chloride PdCl2 and water in the presence of CuCl2 oxygen or air. Okay, in this reaction, alkene reacts with acidified aqueous solution of palladium chloride and cupric chloride in the presence of oxygen air. We get aldehyde. We get CH3CHO. You see, this is ethene. This is ethanol. Plus we get palladium plus 2Ac. Here the palladium is plus 2 oxygen state. Here palladium is 0 oxygen state. Right? In this case, alkene is oxidized to aldehyde without changing the number of carbon atoms. That is 2 carbon atoms, 1, 2. Here also 1. Right? Similarly, we get CH3, CH double bond CH2 plus PbCl2 plus water in the presence of CuCl2 oxygen or air. Okay, propene. We get here CH3COCH3, that is called acetone, plus palladium plus 2Ac. Okay, here also the palladium is plus 2 oxygen state, here 0. In this case, the propene is oxidized to acetone. This is called Walker process. In this case, the alkene reacts with acidified aqueous solution of palladium chloride and cupric chloride in the presence of oxygen or air. The alkene is oxidized to aldehyde ketone. Number 3, by Auxot process. By Auxot process, this is also known as carbonylation or hydroformylation. Okay, in this reaction, what happens? Alkene. Suppose you take alkene C double bond CH2, alkene ethene reacts with carbon monoxide and hydrogen H2. This is also called water gas. In the presence of catalyst COCOR-folate, that is called octacarbonate cobalt at about 125 degrees Celsius, 280 pressure. This reaction is called carbonylation because you add carbon monoxide. We get, that means HCHO. When carbon monoxide reacts to hydrogen, we get formaldehyde. You add here, you break this bond, you add H, that is CHO. That is called hydrogen, that is called fermion group. So that the reaction is also known as hydroformylation. That is, addition of hydrogen and fermion group takes place across the double bond of carbon. Okay, non-alkyl. So we get CH3, CH2, CHO. That is called propanol. Okay, in this reaction, ethene reacts with water gas, that is equivalent mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen in the presence of octacarbonyl cobalt at about 125 degrees Celsius and 200 temperature we get propanol. You see, in this reaction the alkene is oxidized to aldehyde with more number of carbon atoms, so that this reaction is very important to increasing number of carbon atoms in organic conversion. Suppose you take propene, CH3 CH double bond CH2, propene. You are carbon monoxide and hydrogen, right? That is also known as what? Water gas or synthetic gas in the presence of cobalt, octacarbonyl cobalt at about 125 degrees Celsius and 200 atm pressure, right? We get in this case ketone, CH3CO, we add here CH3 CH CHO CH3 plus CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2. Okay, in this case we get two products. There are two possible products are obtained. One is 1, 2, 3, 4 butanol. One is 1, 2, 3, that is 2-methyl propanol. 2-methyl propanol. This is minor product, this is major product. Okay, this is minor, this is also major. This is called oxo process or carbonylation or hydroformylation, right? Very important reaction. Next, I jump to the preparation of alketones from alkynes. In this reaction, what happens? Alkynes react with water in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid and HDSO4. Okay, as catalyst to form an unstable enol intermediate. Unstable enol intermediate, which tautomerization to form aldehydes or ketones. In this reaction, disulfuric acid and HDSO4 as catalyst. Okay. Suppose take acetylene. It is called acetylene. Acetylene reacts with water, HOH, delta minus delta plus, right? In the presence of dilute sulfuric acid, H2SO4 and HgSO4. This is a symmetrical alkyne. Okay, to break this bond, you add H and OH here. We get H, CH, double bond CH, that is OH. That is unstable. That is unstable. Which on tautomerization, we get what? This bond shift this side, this bond shift over carbon atom. We get H plus C minus, we get CH3 COH, that is called ethanol. CH3 C double bond H. Similarly, take propyl CH3 C triple bond CH. Okay, propyl. Pro1 reacts water HOH, delta minus delta plus. Okay, we get also in the presence of dilute H2SO4 and HgSO4 as catalyst. This is a unsymmetrical alkyne. In this case, you add water according to Markovnikov rule. That means the negative part of the adenine is added that part of carbon atom which contains less number of hydrogen atoms. This carbon contains no hydrogen atom. This carbon contains one hydrogen atom. You add here OH, here H. This bond break. Okay, we get an unstable enol intermediate, that is OH double bond CH2. Okay, that is called unstable enol. Unstable enol intermediate. Then that undergo tautomerization. This bond will shift that side, this bond over the carbon atom. Okay, H plus C minus, that is CH3 C double bond O CH3, that is called what? Acetone. Okay, acetone. This is all about the preparation of other ketones from alkynes, right? My question is, try CH3 C triple bond C to H5. Okay, first you get water in the presence of dilute H2SO4 and HgSO4. Okay, number 2, CH3 CH 2 C triple bond CH plus water in presence of dilute H2SO4 and HgSO4 with the product to try. Okay, then number 3, from calcium salt of carboxylic acids. From calcium salt of carboxylic acids. Okay, in this case what happens? In this case what happens? When calcium salt of carboxylic acid on dry distillation to form aldehyde ketones. Suppose we take HCOOCaOCOH, that is called calcium formate. Right? Heat करेंगे, that is called dry distillation, so that we get formaldehyde HCOH plus CaCO3. That is called methanol. Okay. When calcium ferments on dry distillation to form methanol, right? Similarly, we take it is called calcium acetate. Calcium acetate. On dry distillation, we get what? Ca3COCO3. That is called acetone. That is called acetone. When calcium acetate undergoes dry distillation to form acetone, right? When a mixture of calcium acetate, CH3COO, CaO, CO, CH3, calcium acetate and calcium ferment. Undergoes dry distillation, we get what? Ca3COH, Ca3COH. That is there we get two molecules of Ca3COH. That is called acetaldehyde plus 2CaCO3. That is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde or called ethanol, right? When a mixture, that is called calcium acetate. Okay, this is calcium ferment. When a mixture of calcium acetate and calcium ferment is heated, undergoes dry distillation to form what? Acetaldehyde. Okay. When calcium benzoate is heated, C6H5CO C6H5. Calcium benzoate. Calcium benzoate is heated. What we get? Benzophenone C6H5CO C6H5 plus what? CaCO3. That is called benzophenone. Okay. When calcium benzoate is heated alone, undergoes dry distillation to form what? Benzophenone, right? And question is, CH2 that is C double bond O, C double bond O. That is calcium adipate. Calcium adipate heated. What will be formed? Right? Similarly, when CH2COO CaO C double bond O CH2 heated, that is called calcium permanganate heated. What will be formed? Okay, it's all about the preparation of aldehyde ketones from alkenes, alkynes and calcium salt of carboxylic acid. Okay, thank you.